Hello everyone. In our previous video, we saw about what is functions. That functions are a block of code which performs specific tasks and can be reused again and again, right? In today's video, we will see one more concept in functions called parameters in functions. So what are parameters is parameters are like inputs given to the function. So when we define the function itself, we will give some predefined or input variables inside the function definition itself, like whenever I use this, give this value, like that. So it parameters are like inputs to the function, while it will be given while defining the function itself. You can give multiple parameters, how many ever parameters you want you can give in the function. Let's see how to give parameters to the function. So you saw that this is the basic function syntax. Let's say I am naming the function name as greeting, parenthesis, open and close parenthesis, then colon, then your response I am saying print hello. So this is the basic function definition, right? So this what we will do, it will give hello, right? So for example, if you want to print Alex, hello Alex first, and then second again hello Joe, then what you will do, you will put two times again and again, right? Instead of that, if you just put a parameter called name. So how you should put a parameter is inside this open close parenthesis, you must give the variable. So I am giving name variable here. So wherever I call name, whichever value I give for the name, it will be displayed. So here if I put comma name, then here hello, this name whatever I give for value will come. So how we should execute the function, we should call the function, right? So just calling means calling with the name. But in yesterday's function you called like this, right? But if you call now like this, you will get an error. What error is? Parameters error. So if you define a parameter already, then you must give value for it, otherwise it will give error. So here I have to give a name, right? So I am giving here name as Alex. Now if you put run, if you execute the program, you call hello Alex. Again, if you just call the function again, greeting, and then let's say Joe, then you will get hello Alex, hello Joe. Just you are changing the value for this parameter. So in this way you can reduce much time and space also. So if you don't want to get error, if you don't give any value also, you must not get any error, means you must define the default value for the parameter in the function while defining the function itself. How you should give the default value is in here, after name itself you will put equals to a default name. For here I am giving default name as Max. So if you now just call the function without any value passed to the parameter also, you will not get any error. As you can see here, you didn't give any value, so it gave output as hello Max. If you give any value, that value will be taken, default value will not get executed. So you can, I told you can give multiple parameters, right? Well, we'll give one more parameter to this function, like year. So here okay, my age is, so my age is, and then here the variable year, right? So if you put the parameter in this order, year and then name, means here while calling the function also, first you must give year, otherwise name, or else the thing will be shifted. Like if you give first name and then year, then it will give something like hello and then age and then name. Let's See how we are getting that. I'm now giving first name and then age something like 8. So if I run the program, I got hello, ignore this for now. Hello 8, my name is Alex. Sorry, hello 8, my age is Alex. So you got the wrong thing here, right? So it is interchange. So whatever order you give the parameters, in same order must give the values while calling the function also. So first age, here also I am giving age something like 5, then here something like 7, because here you must give value for age because here is not a default parameter, but name is a default parameter, so no need to give name here. So if I run the program now, sorry, what sorry, we didn't get the comma here. So we got the output, hello Alex, my age is 8. Hello, sorry, let's say hello, I am, to give the meaning for the sentence. So now, hello, I am Alex, my age is 8. Hello, I am Joe, my age is 5. Just your values are changed very easily. You are not declaring the names again and again. You are not wasting time, right? So that's how the functions with parameters are very useful. Here, one more thing you must be very careful, that is, you must not put here this side and name that side, because if you put it, you will get an error. What error is? Parameter without a default follows parameter with a default. That means you must give all parameters without default value at first. In other words, the parameter which has default value, here the parameter with default value is name, right? That must come at last. So whatever parameter you are declaring with a default value must come at last only. This is must, otherwise you will get an error. So the concept is that much only. So what all things we learned today? We learned about what is parameters in function and how to execute it without any errors. If error comes also, we learned how to rectify it. So that's it for today. Thank you.